Hey gang, I'm just hopping on this quick video to let you know about something cool that's coming up. So it is winter currently as I record this, like 2 days left, and it's starting to get nice outside. It's no longer dreary and snowy and depressing where I live, and temptations outside are calling. I'm sure that's probably true where you are too. And maybe you didn't get a whole lot of writing done over the winter or these last few weeks because of the holidays, and then the holidays turned into January, and then January turned into February. You know how it goes. So I'm offering some motivation to everybody. It is time for my annual Beast Mode Challenge, and it begins April 1st and runs through April 30th. If you don't know what Beast Mode is, every year I go into Beast Mode because I want to write a lot of stuff. So I've got a lot of projects I want to work on. I need to turn on the turbo thrusters. And so I'm going to be writing like a madman during April 1st to April 30th. And I'm inviting you to join me. I want to create a safe space for the next month where anyone can come and work on whatever project they want to work on and feel supported and get encouragement and writing advice that they need. So whether you're outlining, whether you're writing, editing your book, writing a screenplay, or even doing some homework for English class, that's totally cool. So Beast Mode means a few things. Number one, my Discord is back online and available. So you can get there by going to authorlevelup.com/Discord. The invite should work. If it doesn't, let me know and I can generate a new one. I'll be in the Discord from now through April 30th, supporting you guys, cheering you on, answering any questions you have, providing any resources you guys might need, and all that good stuff. Second, there will be power hours every Saturday at 10 a.m. Central Time here on the channel in April, including a late night power hour that will probably be sometime during the week to be announced yet. But I don't know. I'm just feeling like a late night power hour. You guys can join me if you want. In case you've never heard of it, my power hour live streams are spaces where I do a live stream and you can show up with your work in progress and just work on it. I play some music, I do Q&A sessions, and we just have a really good time. Third, I'm going to have some prizes that I'm giving away. I've got some really cool stuff lined up for you guys that I can't share just yet, but I think you're going to love it. And the cool thing about the prizes is just like last year, whether you do the Beast Mode Challenge or not, you'll still be able to throw your name in the hat and potentially win. And last but not least, expect some regular YouTube content from me during this power hour. I'm trying to work my way and getting back up to regular YouTube videos. So I promised that last year, and unfortunately, I just wasn't able to make it work, but it's going to happen this year. So expect some regular videos, all geared around writing and productivity to help you be the most productive you can be during this year's Beast Mode. So whether you participate in the challenge or not, I still invite you to join and tag along on all the content that's going to be going on. You can still participate in the giveaways and the prizes, and you can join me on Discord for a few weeks if you want. And this is also your reminder, as it starts to get nice outside, those things out there, the beaches and the weather and the nice things, they start calling you, and that can be a lot more attractive than the writing. And nothing wrong with going off and taking advantage of the nice weather and all the things it has to offer, but don't lose sight of the ball. So this is an opportunity to help you keep your eye on the ball, help you build a habit, help you get some words down and make progress for the year. So you've got some things to show for it. And also you can build some momentum. So I hope you will join me. I look forward to seeing you guys starting on April 1st. Join the Discord if you like, and I'll talk to you soon.